Hi guys, Kim here with Art Classes for Kids, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a sneak peek of what this week's projects are going to be on my YouTube channel. And just want to let you know that it's all about Mom this week. It's Mother's Day next Sunday, and I've got 3 projects for you that your mom might really love and appreciate if you make them for her. So let me show you what we've got for Monday. Monday, we're going to be doing a still life with oil pastels. It's going to look a little bit like this. And this is a still life inspired by the famous artist Alfred Henry Maurer. And it is basically, a vase of flowers on a tablecloth with a background and some shadows and some flowers that have fallen onto the table. And this is a super colorful and really easy to make, even easier than it looks to make, illustration. So I hope you join me for this. Let me tell you what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need a piece of either white watercolor paper is what I recommend, but if you don't have it, don't sweat it. What you'll need then is either cardstock or poster board. Whichever of those you have, you just need a square, and it can be any size square. Okay, and then you'll need, if you'd like, some of the blue tape, because I use this low tack tape to tape off the edges of the paper so I get a really clean edge. And lastly, you'll need some oil pastels. This is a little set of 12. That's all you're gonna need. You might have a fancy set that you got for a gift or something, and those are awesome. But you might not use every color out of it. So anyway, this is all you're gonna need. And this simple project will be Monday, and it's oil pastels, paper, and some tape. Keeping it simple. Okay, hopefully your mom would love that. Next, Wednesday, because I'm posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So on Wednesday, we're gonna make something that you might make every year for your mom on your own, which is a Mother's Day card. So this Mother's Day card is I'm going to teach you how to do a few things. One is I'm going to teach you how to make an envelope, and maybe even some sort of little stickery label to enclose it, make it special. I did an M for Mom. I'm going to teach you how to do that. That's sort of your origami portion of this project. Then we're going to make an accordion folded Mother's Day card. So this one, on the front, I'm going to teach you different styles of lettering, and you're going to choose yours. If you want to say best mom ever, or if you want to have your own message, that'll be up to you. Then this one opens up and says, I love you, Mom, but in kind of graphic symbols. So I'm going to teach you how to draw a realistic eye. That's something that kids are always doodling and trying to, find ways to draw, and I'll teach you a few ways how to do that. Then you're going to make a 3D heart of some sort. I've got a few options for that. Then we're going to teach you how to make a cute little lamb, and a baby lamb is a ewe. And we're going to see how creative you get on the 4th panel that is going to say Mom in some cool design or lettering or whatever your choice is. I just want to give you some ideas and then see if you can make it really colorful. Then we fold this up. We'll make the envelope afterwards. We'll put it in, and you'll be able to have something super special for your mom that she knows you put a lot of hard work in and made especially for her. So what you're going to need with this one is you're going to need 2 sheets of white cardstock. One to cut and draw your card with, and one to make the envelope with, which we'll also cut a little piece off it. These are the other things you're going to need. Well, you're obviously going to need some colored pencils, just so that you have something to make this thing awesome and learn to draw all these cool things with. You're needing a set of colored pencils, and you're going to need definitely scissors to cut the paper. You're going to need a pencil for sketching. You're going to need tape to tape together the 2 pieces that make the accordion fold. You're going to need a glue stick only to glue this little thing, or if you want to glue your envelope shut. And it's smart to have a pencil sharpener off to the side in case one of your pencils, gets really low and you want to keep it going. So that will be our Wednesday project, is the Mother's Day card. And, rather than buying a card, moms love when you put some you know, attention and some detail and personalization into it. So I would definitely join us Wednesday. Okay, and then we've got Friday. So every Friday I do something I call Found Object Friday. And this Friday, you're gonna be looking through your garden and seeing if you happen to have any flowers. If you don't have any, maybe you have some fake silk flowers around your house, or you have some flowers in a pot or something. And if you don't, that's okay too, because I'll just teach you how to draw some flowers. And once you have some flowers, or you just look at my flowers, you're going to make a heart watercolor filled with flowers. And I did this project years ago, and moms loved this. So I thought, let's do this on video. So this is inspired by the artist named Margaret Berg. She is a commercial illustrator. She does all kinds of posters and drawings and greeting cards and all kinds of stuff out of watercolor. And she does something a little like this. You're going to need definitely, bam, watercolors. You're also going to need a paper towel, and you're going to need, you're going to need a pencil, a couple of different size brushes, a water jar. You're going to need scissors because you're going to cut, and I just dropped my paper. Let's just see what happened to it. Oh, it went really far. You're going to need a regular sheet of white printer paper because we're gonna fold this in half and draw our heart, trace that to get a perfectly symmetrical heart. And then you're going to need watercolor paper. You know, this is the best for watercoloring, but if you don't have it, use something else that you have. Use cardstock or poster board. And these are all the things you're going to need to make our Found Object Friday flower heart. So let's see, what else can I tell you? I hope you join us because, you know, right now, everybody's still at home. So while you're at home and you don't have time to go shopping, maybe you have watercolors around and you have some kind of paper. I hope you can make your mom a really special gift that you can present to her next Sunday. Now, other than that, I'm not sure if you've been watching my YouTube channel, but I made a huge announcement just the other day, and that is that I have launched Art Camp in a Box. Now, if you want to know what Art Camp in a Box is, you can either go check out all the details on my website, which is artclassesforkids.com, or you can look up the video, the unboxing video that I just put up of the beginner level box. And coming soon, in the next day or two, you're gonna see the advanced level box. It's really fun to watch unboxing videos. You'll see all the things you get to do. And if you do purchase one of my boxes, the cool thing is that you get to make 10 projects. And you get all the supplies for 10 projects. And you also get access to those special videos. And you can join my Zoom live stream art camp this summer. I've got 3 weeks to choose from. You can see all those details there. So I hope you check into that. I want to thank you for sending in all your photos of all your projects. And if you've never done it before, the best way to do it is to take your photo of your art, either while you're making it or the finished product, and post it on Instagram and tag it with @ArtClassesForKids, or you can send it to me directly with to my email, which is kim@artclassesforkids.com. And we get to see your art, and we love to see how it turns out. And other than that, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notifications button so you can find out about all my new videos. And then until I see you next, keep making